Everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from Cheeky Seats. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our fabulous Honda Ruckus seat covers. That's what we make, folks, seat covers. We do not sell actual seats. This goes over the seat you already have. So, to show you the front of our cover, we have a little sticker in there that says front. So that's how you know what the front is. So we're going to start at the back. Pull that right over the back and get that set up nicely. And pull around to the front. Now you'll notice a black line around the inside, a little bit more there to show. There you go. There you see it. That lines up with the edge of your seat. Pull that around. Adjust the sides. Pull that in. Adjust your pull stop. And then massage it into place. Get out the wrinkles. It'll have some wrinkles from being in the plastic, and there you have it. In under a minute, a great new look for your Honda Ruckus, handmade here in Pennsylvania. Thanks very much. Bye.